Good morning, students. Today now let us start the new chapter, probability. Some important results of probability. First, required probability equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Second, 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. Probability of event. Probability of event oda result 0 to 1 மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. Third, P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. Total probability oda value எப்பவுமே possible event plus impossible event oda value 1. Therefore, third result P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. Therefore, P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E plus E right hand side போனா minus P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E. Possible outcomes of coin. One coin tossed. One coin toss பண்ணா only the possible two outcomes head next tail. Therefore, the total outcomes 2. Two coin toss பண்ணா possible outcome 4 possible outcomes. First head next head tail இருக்கலாம், next tail head இருக்கலாம், next tail. Therefore, the total outcomes 4. 3 coin toss பண்ணுறப்ப the total outcomes 8. பாருங்க 3 head இருக்கலாம், next tail head next head tail head tail head tail tail. Therefore, the total outcomes 3 coin அப்படின்னா 8. 1 coin 2 outcomes, 2 coin 4 outcomes, 3 coin toss பண்ணிங்கன்னா the total outcomes 8. The 1 coin 2 power 1 2. 2 coin அப்படின்னா 2 square the 4 possible outcomes. 3 coin அப்படின்னா 2 cube 8 outcomes. 4 coin அப்படின்னா 2 power 4. Total outcomes is 16. Next, one die is thrown. One die throw பண்ணிங்கன்னா total faces dieல 6 faces இருக்கும். 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Therefore, the total outcomes 6. 2 dice throw பண்ணிங்கன்னா one dieல 6, another dieல 6. Therefore, 2 dice throw பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1, 1 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, etc. 6, 1, 6, 2, etc. 6, 6. Therefore, the total outcomes 36. 1 die throw பண்ணிங்கன்னா the total outcomes 6. Only 6 outcomes. 2 dice is thrown. The total outcomes 36. 1 die 6 power 1. இப்படி ரைட் பண்ணலாம். 2 dice 6 square. Total outcomes 36. 3 dice 6 cube. Therefore, 216 outcomes. 3 dice 216 outcomes. 216. Next, card. Total number of card 52 cards. 26 black card, 26 red card. Split பண்ணா 26 black card, 26 red card. The spade 13, number of spade 13, club 13. Spade symbol, club symbol. The 26 black card 13 plus 13, spade 13 and club 13. 26 red card, diamond 13, artin 13. Diamond 13, artin 13. Spade A, first A as. Next 2, 3, 4, same number of all card 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. J, Q, K. இதனுடைய value 11, 12, 13. JQK is a face card. The total number of black face card is 6. The total number of red face card 6. 6 plus 6 equal to total number of face card is 12. Total number of card 52. The total number of black card 26, red card 26. Spade 13, club 13, diamond 13, artin 13. The total number of face card 12. First example 1. find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting tail. Solution: a coin tossed once. Therefore, the possible outcomes of one coin tossed, only two outcomes, head, tail. Head, tail. Therefore, one coin அப்படின்னா the possible outcomes only two. Recite the question. Probability of head. Head ஓட probability. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. இங்க head ஓட possible பாருங்க, only one by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, probability of head equal to 1 by 2. Probability of tail. Tailக்கான probability. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Tailக்கான possible only, one possibles only. Therefore, 1 by favorable outcomes ஓட value 1 by total outcomes ஓட value 2. Therefore, probability of tail equal to 1 by 2. Example 2. A bag contains a red ball, blue ball and yellow ball, all balls being of same size. Kritika takes out a ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that she take out the yellow ball, red ball, blue ball? Solution number 2. One bagல red ball one ball இருக்கு, blue ball one ball, yellow ball one ball, all balls are same size. Therefore, the total number of balls add பண்ணுங்க, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. First question, probability of red ball equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Formula, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. The red ball oda favorable outcomes total 1 by total outcomes oda value 3, 1 by 3. Probability of blue ball, the favorable outcomes blue ball oda value 1 by total outcomes oda value 3. Probability of yellow ball, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, the number of yellow ball oda value 1 by total outcomes oda value 3. Therefore, probability of yellow ball equal to 1 by 3, blue ball equal to 1 by 3, probability of red ball equal to 1 by 3. Example 3. Suppose we throw a die once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Solution. A die is thrown once. The question is die is thrown once. Therefore, the possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the total outcomes value is 6. The first question is, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? It is a favorable outcomes. Greater than 4 value 5, 6. 5, 6. Therefore, only 2 favorable outcomes. The total outcomes 6. Therefore, required probability favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes value 2. Total outcomes oda value 6. Therefore, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. First question oda answer. Second question, what is the probability getting less than or equal to 4? Less than or equal to 4. Second question, favorable outcomes less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 na, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 values less than or equal to 4. Therefore, favorable outcomes value 4. Therefore, required probability favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes oda value 4. Total outcomes oda value 6. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 2 by 3. Second question answer 2 by 3. Example 4. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that card will, first question, be an as, not be an as. Solution. Example 4. The total number of outcomes only 52 cards. First question, probability Bn is S oda favorable outcomes பாருங்க 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Spareல 1, clubல 1, diamondல 1, heartinல 1. Only 4 is. Therefore, probability favorable outcomes 4. Total outcomes oda value 52. Cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 4s are 4, 13 4s are 52. Next, probability not Bn has favorable outcomes 48. Favorable outcomes 48 by total outcomes oda value 52. Total number of card 52. Not Bn has only 4 as subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா remaining values 48. Therefore 48 by 52. 4 table cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 13 4s are 52. 12 by 13. Example 5. Two players Sangeeta and Reshma played tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning match? Solution. Example 5. Let E and E dash E bar denote the events that Sangeeta wins the match and Reshma wins the match respectively. P of E, Sangeeta win, the probability of E when Sangeeta win equal to 0.62. Already known the formula P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. The total possible outcomes P of E bar equal to P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E plus right hand side போனா minus E. P of E oda value 0.62. 1 minus 0.62 subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 0.38. Sangeeta and Reshma oda total probability oda value 1. Probability of Reshma equal to 1 minus P of E. Sangeeta oda probability subtract பண்ணோம் 1 minus 0.62 equal to 0.38. Example 6. Savita and Hamita are friends. What is probability that both will have different birthdays? Second question, the same birthday. Ignore a leap year. Leap year la honorary year மட்டும் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Therefore, Savita and Hamita are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthday கான probability, same days கான probability? Solution. Example 6. The total outcomes 365 days. Not a leap year kana total number of days 365 days. First question. Savita and Hamita have the same birthday. ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் ஒரே நாள்ல birthday வரதுக்கான possible only one day மட்டும்தான். Therefore 1 by favorable outcomes 1 by total outcomes oda value 365. Therefore 1 by 365. Second question. Probably Savita and Hamita have the different birthday. ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக பர்த்டே வரக்கூடிய டேஸ் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒன் டே மட்டும்தான் சேம். therefore remaining days வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டேஸுக்கான the birthday. therefore 364 by 365. இப்படி கூட நீங்கள் எழுதலாம் P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. ஒன் டே மட்டும்தான் சேம் பர்த்டே 1 by 365 plus P of E bar equal to 1. therefore P of E bar different birthdayக்கான formula 1 minus 1 by 365. cross multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 365 minus 1 364 by 365.